Let's face it, the whole crypto world can feel a little intimidating at first. All this talk of wallets, exchanges, and blockchain, it's enough to make you want to stick with your boring old savings account. But what if I told you there was a way to bridge the gap between your bank and the exciting world of cryptocurrency, and it involved something you already know and trust, Interac e-Transfer? That's right. If you're a Canadian crypto curious or a seasoned hodler looking for a smooth way to fund your Newton account, then e-Transfer might be your new best friend. So, buckle up because in this video, we're diving deep into how to send an e-Transfer to Newton and turn those loonies and toonies into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever flavor of crypto strikes your fancy. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick second to understand why Newton is such a great platform for Canadians, especially when it comes to e-transfers. First off, Newton is a Canadian-based exchange, which means you're keeping your business local. Plus, they focus on making the entire crypto buying process as user-friendly as possible. And that user-friendly approach extends right down to their e-transfer options. Alright, enough with the why, let's get to the how. There are actually two main ways to send an e-transfer to Newton, and the method you choose depends on your personal preference. The first option is called Request via App. With this method, Newton essentially sends you an e-transfer request, and you simply approve it through your bank's online or mobile banking app. Easy, right? Here's how it works. Head over to your Newton dashboard. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry, the process is quick and painless. Look for the Add Funds section, usually located in the top right corner. Once you click Add Funds, you'll see a few deposit options. The one you want is via Interac e-Transfer. Now, this is where the magic happens. Enter the amount of Canadian dollars you want to deposit into your Newton account. Here's the key step, choose Send Request via App. This basically tells Newton to send you an e-transfer request for the amount you specified. Alright, so you've initiated the e-transfer request. Now what? Keep an eye on your inbox because Newton will be sending you an email with all the details. The email will come from Interac e-Transfer from Newton, email address removed. Don't miss it. Once you have the email, simply log into your bank's online or mobile banking app. Look for the e-Transfer section, and you should see the request from Newton waiting for your approval. Review the details, the amount should match what you entered on the Newton dashboard, and then follow your bank's instructions to approve the transfer. That's it. You've successfully sent an e-transfer to Newton using the Request via App method. The funds should be reflected in your Newton account within minutes, ready to be used for your next crypto purchase. But wait, there's another way. If you're not a fan of waiting for emails or prefer a more direct approach, then Newton also offers a transfer from bank option. This method allows you to send the e-transfer directly from your bank app to Newton's account. Here's a quick rundown. Similar to the first method, head over to the Add Funds section on your Newton dashboard and select via Interac e-Transfer. Enter the amount you want to deposit. This time, however, choose Transfer from Bank instead of Send Request via App. Newton will provide you with all the essential information you need to complete the e-transfer, including the recipient name, email address, and a unique security question. Now, with this information in hand, open your bank's online or mobile banking app and navigate to the e-transfer section. Here's where things might differ slightly depending on your bank, but you'll essentially be setting up a new e-transfer recipient using the details provided by Newton. Make sure to enter the exact recipient name, email address, and answer the security question correctly. Double-check everything before hitting that final send button. Just like with the Request via App.